Hey, look, there's two cat.
What is this, your first time on the planet?
What is this, your freaking first time ever touching a vagina? There's a guy below you.
What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Man, fuck.
What was that?
You won't shoot me at spawn. You won't shoot me at spawn in the head. No, you won't do it. You won't do it. You won't do it. You
I
won't
wanna do it. I wanna do it.
I bet you. I bet you. I bet you. I bet you. What?
I saw your head move. Hey Gino, you want a grenade?
What?
You want a grenade?
Yeah, I do.
Fuck grenade. Eat it.
I'll make sure everything you do.
Doing more team damage will cause you to be kicked.
I should have got in front of that. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Come here, Gino. Yeah.
Wait, let me jump.
Gino, get the fuck out of here, man.
No. Boom.
Okay, I'll leave you alone.
No, you won't.
Fucking thought.
Yes.
They're cat. They're inside. They're inside.
They're cat.
I need a fucking gun.
Give it to him.
Gino, get the fuck out of here.
Oh shit.
Okay,
you
my
fucking
goal is
kidding
to
me?
get.
God damn it, you
7
piece of shit, Gino. Did you shoot me too?
No, I didn't.
Somebody blasted me.
I'm gonna get Blue a 7-day, guys. Get ready.
Oh my god, if I get a 7-day ban again, I'm gonna kill somebody. And it's gonna be you, Gino. It's gonna be you.
I'm gonna get.
It's gonna be you. Jesus Christ, calm down.
I feel like I'm gonna unintentionally give you it. Like you're just gonna be shooting. I accidentally walk in front of you.
Only one deal.
You got a fucking
I
Nova.
feel like you're gonna shoot your Nova and kill
I'm
me.
gonna shoot my Zeus at you.
You'll get banned.
I know.
You'll get banned instantly.
There's no way there.
Oh shit! You almost shot a teammate.
Get out of here, Gino! Fucking A. Oh my god, get out!
I can't focus.
I fucking hate you. I couldn't move out of the way and I got killed. I got fucked up.
Or mid. Or B.
Fucking god. Gino, I hope you die. Fuck, you're trash! Your boy,
I
you're
hit him.
trash. Boy, you're trash.
Sorry guys, I'm throwing to get a blue band.
Wants to get me banned on my channel.
What?
Alright, can you invite me to your channel? Send me a link.
Yeah, I will.
Fuck off. Here's the link. I literally got it right here.
You should just send him like a middle finger.
What are we?
Fuck, I just lost it. Green, step in front of blue when he shoots.
Do it, I'll fuck you up in real life.
He'll get banned.
Get out of here!
They're going up.
He'll get 7 days. He'll get 7 days. What if I would have got in front of you?
I'm
All
gonna
of
fucking
them.
kill you. Hope you fucking die, Gino. Oh my god, get off my ass. Oh fuck. Get out of here! Oh my god!
You almost shot a teammate!
One behind you guys.
Oh my fucking god. Oh fuck, they're right there.
One's pushing from behind.
Yeah, just go and die.
Guy,
Oh my
guy, lower,
god!
There's a guy lower. There's a guy lower.
No, there's not.
I was just kidding.
You don't kill yourself.
He killed me!
Oh fucking! I wanna hurt you in life. I wanna rip you in half like a piece of paper. I wanna bust you the fuck up.
I can't do it anymore. I can't breathe.
What is my?
Every time you try to run, I get in front of you and say you ain't. What are you, fucking gay?
I'm trying to find which one it is to.
What? To do what?
I can't remember which one is the type.
It's Y?
It's not. Oh, there. You're right.
Oh,
There's the channel.
sorry.
You got a knife to get out of chat.
Can I start?
I got a knife to get out of chat.
Seriously?
Okay.
No.
There we go.
No, other knife. The other knife.
Oh, the other one? I only have
Yeah.
one. I only got. Oh,
The
wait.
other one.
You mean this one right here? Okay.
The other one on
Wait,
my back.
do I have to shoot too? Okay,
yeah.
there you go.
Yeah, you have to shoot. You have to shoot.
Okay, there we go. Did I shoot enough times?
Say, what the fuck, you chick?
There's a guy long. There's a guy long. Hey, there's a guy long.
Yellow's pissing me the fuck off. Green, kill yellow. Oh my god! The video should be up today or tomorrow.
How many subscribers do you have?
You got like
I just started, there's just like 16.
That's pretty good.
I'm not bad at aiming.
What do I have to fucking carry? I got 3 kills this round. What the fuck is this? Is this a fucking dildo?
What is this, some kind of fucking idiot talking? Yes. Why'd you give me an op?
Cause I want you to kill me with it.
Okay. Look at those eyes. Those eyes are from hell. God, I really want to fucking kill you. I must refrain from killing you, Gino. Here, Gino, go down long, and stand down there, and I'm gonna shoot you.
Jared had a good idea. Go on, shoot me.
Okay, stop moving, stand still.
Okay.
No, stop jumping,
Okay, I will.
I'm not gonna shoot you. Oh, fuck you, man.
Shoot me, damn it.
If you, I'm not gonna if you keep moving.
You gotta just try to shoot me.
2 minutes.
Oh,
Keep trying, keep trying. This is called the game risky.
holy fuck! I got fucking popped.
I just saw your buddy fall.
You peeked me.
Your body just fell to the ground. You're sitting there. Giggle.
Oh my fucking god. Nice kill, purple. Bomb has been planted. Oh
Oh,
shit.
am I blind?
Oh my god. He's picking everyone off. Gino, he's right there. Oh my god.
He's hit. I hit him for 81. What the
Oh my
hell?
God,
What, you guys
they're
can't
all
touch
in
him
there.
once? I had a
All in
piston.
there. I saw him kill everyone.
Dude, I'm not even trying, Logan. He would have been dead if I had an op in the window. I saw him way before anyone else.
Okay, Gino, we're gonna do this again.
I'll let me
Look
just
at those dead eyes. I'm gonna see if I can put this as my thumbnail.
What?
Just a zoom in of your face.
Yeah, take a picture.
BANG!
I was right there.
That's frustrating.
They flashed A long. They're coming.
They coming?
Yeah, shoot them.
Oh, deal.
What are you? A genie?
Fucking nose itches.
My fucking chest is just. Oh, they're A
Gino,
long.
kill them!
No.
Genie?
Ah!
What is that?
I hate you. Did you die?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're so bad.
I was trying to make you shoot me. I was trying to get up behind them so you'd shoot one of them and then
You're a fucking
you
idiot.
shoot me because I'm right
Fucking
behind
idiot.
him.
I thought you were gonna kill them because you're right there and then you didn't.
What is he fucking dumb?
Oh my god, there's gonna be a bit going wrong.
What are you dumb? Can you not see the guy?
What are you, queer?
What are you blind?
What are you,
That's a horrible flash. He's probably to your right a little bit more, probably like, you know, the tip of crossover. Oh, it smells fucking good. I just shoved my fingers up my ass.
What is wrong with you, man? You have some serious issues. I hope whoever goes to GK and is listening to this hears all this shit.
I'm so bad.
Because, as you guys heard, Gino has his fingers up his ass 24/7.
Oh my ass.
Jesus
It
Christ.
smells like fucking good shit,
This
man.
is gonna probably be a 2-part video.
Oh, my fucking nose is bleeding now.
Nice. Oh,
Holy
man.
fuck. Oh my god. That was intense. That was fucking intense. Oh my god. Oh my god! That was some sick shit, Purple. Some sick shit. Gino, shut up!
God damn, those fingers smell good.
You got some issues, man. You got some issues.
Fucking shove my fingers on my ass, dude. They smell like fucking dick.
You're right.
Would you say you fucking faggot?
Did you rock your ass?
Yeah, I fucking did, you fucking homo. What do you think, I'm gay? I just shot the guy 2 times.
You know, I almost
Hey, dude, shoot me. No balls.
No balls won't shoot you?
Yeah, no balls. Yeah, that's what I thought. Puss boy.
You gotta catch the bullet. Catch the bullet. Catch the bullet. Catch the bullet.
Catch the bullet. Go on. Try and catch the bullet again. Bang! Go on, do it. Bang! Oh, I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it.
Stop, Gino. Fucking get out of the way.
Wait, you don't like me being in front of you?
Nice.
Fuck no, I don't. You're pissing me off.
That's what you call the carry through, boys.
You think you're carrying me, Purple?
Purple is definitely carrying us all.
I'm not even trying, so he's not really carrying me.
I'm just fucking around for the video, honestly.
I'm just trying to fucking get you banned. Purple, help me try to get Blue banned.
Why?
Cause it'll be funny. Cause it'll be funny in his video. You know, he'll get lots of views.
But you're not gonna get me banned. How would that get me a lot of views, you fucking idiot?
Fucking, I got 7 day, and the title is a lot of views.
Asian?
The fuck is everybody at?
Obviously not here.
Why are you following me, Gino?
Behind you! Behind you! Are you dumb?
Fucking hear you,
Fucking
stupid twat.
retarded. You're so fucking bad. Turn the corner, just start shooting. Don't stop.
How did I not kill that guy?
Cause you're bad.
I got 2. What the fuck? That does. How can he kill me if you only took? Oh my god, this game's fucking horse dick.
You guys better kill this guy, or you guys are both homos.
I got fucking assists for days.
I know another way to get you kicked.
How?
Hey, I'm gonna call a timeout, okay, guys? I gotta take a shit real quick. Just press F1, okay?
Well, are you constipated?
Yeah, just a little bit. Come on, please though. Timeout, okay? Timeout, okay?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Timeout, okay?
Don't do it.
What, you just teleport behind him? What the fuck? But timeout, okay, guys?
No.
He's lagging so much. He did the
Yo. Yes on timeout. Yes on timeout, please.
Sure, yeah. Go, hurry up.
I didn't have to fucking vote.
I was trying to vote to kick you, damn it.
Quick, dude.
He was trying to get me kicked. Is what he was doing. He didn't
Shit,
get
I
the
did the
timeout.
wrong thing. I forgot to call vote kick. Damn
Trying to kick
it!
me. Fucking idiot.
He would have got a 7 day if that happened.